really kind of a higher than usual heat.
Yes.
For what we have, September can be warm for sure,
Oh,
but this
for sure.
this is pretty hot.
Yeah. Yesterday our record high was about 98 degrees. We ended up with a high of 95.
You're close.
Yeah, so we were very close to seeing near record highs. Temperatures were reaching to around 100 degrees with the heat index, at least all across the state yesterday. So
and more of the same today?
Exactly, yes. We're going to see more heat later on today, or at least we're going to feel that heat later on today. Storm Shield 9 showing a pretty clear picture across the southern plains. You can see up in the upper Midwest and parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. We do have some showers and storms up that way. As far as rain is concerned around here, we do have some showers right around the Houston area and then some rain out in the southwest part of the United States, out near Arizona. But as far as Oklahoma is concerned, there is just no rain really close to us. You can see that very blue sky from an OCCC camera from our Air Comfort Skycam network. It's definitely another gorgeous day, but you may want to limit some of your time outdoors today. It's already 89 degrees, but it feels like 97 with dew points in the low 70s, and the wind's really not providing a whole lot of relief. It's coming in out of the south, bringing in that moisture, and it's only between about 5 to 10. We're at 89 degrees in Stillwater, 90 in Chandler, 89 in Byers, and 88 degrees over in Watauga. So upper 80s and low 90s, very common across the rest of the state. We are at 84 degrees down in Idabel. That's the coolest spot right now on the map. But 92 in Ponca City and 88 degrees down in Hobart. Dew points, this is a problem. We're talking about the low to the upper 70s in the north and east. It's a lot drier out in the Panhandle, so this is where we're going to have that heat advisory. Now, it feels already like 100 degrees in Ponca City, 100 degrees in Stillwater. 104 is what it currently feels like right now in Tulsa. That's dangerous heat. So we do have a heat advisory for parts of central and eastern Oklahoma through later on this evening. What that basically means is you want to limit your time outdoors and stay hydrated. Take that heat seriously. It's going to be sticking around for a couple of days at least. So here's the big picture. We've got the cold front in the north. We've got showers and storms across parts of the upper Midwest and the northern plains. We've got some showers and storms across Arizona. Well, eventually, we also have Tropical Storm Payne down there. He's eventually going to move off to the north, and that's really going to weaken as it does so. It's going to become a tropical depression by the time we get into tomorrow morning. And eventually, some of that remnants from Tropical Storm Payne will eventually move into parts of, well, at least the Panhandle. So, yeah, many of us not expecting a whole lot of rain out of that. We're going to get a much better chance of rain once we get into next weekend. Here's our futurecast. I'm going to start it at noon today. Zooming on in here, we're going to stay clear as we go throughout the afternoon, heading into the evening hours. In the meantime, we still have high pressure out to the west and a few showers here and there. Once we get into tomorrow evening, I do expect to at least see maybe a few showers out in the Panhandle and then maybe far northwest Oklahoma, but it's not going to amount to a whole lot. Thursday still looks dry across the state, maybe a few clouds here and there. Friday, eventually, I think we're going to see more of a mostly sunny sky, so maybe a few more clouds moving in. But as far as rain is concerned, I really don't expect that to get here until maybe sometime Saturday afternoon, heading into the evening. So for today, just going to be sunny and hot and humid. Temperatures climbing back into the mid to the upper 90s, 97 in McAllister, maybe only the low 90s off to the far east. Overnight tonight, we're going to stay warm, we're going to stay humid and dry. Temperatures dropping to the low 70s, a couple of upper 60s here and there, 72 in Tulsa, 71 down in Lawton. Tomorrow won't be as hot, but it's still going to be very warm outside, so we still have to take that heat seriously. Temperatures will be back into the low 90s, and it's still going to be a very humid day. As far as rain is concerned, just a slight chance in far northwest Oklahoma. That does include the Panhandle. So over the next several days, I'm really not expecting any rain chances in central Oklahoma. It is going to be dry, but it's going to be humid. We're at least going to feel that moisture in the air, that's for sure. Temperatures eventually dropping to the upper 80s once we get into the weekend, and then there is that much needed cold front. It is going to come in. We officially hit fall on Thursday, but it's going to feel a lot more like fall once we get into next week. In fact, we could see highs in the 60s by early next week. That's going to be a major change.
Yeah, big time. Yeah, this will seem like, another world.
I know, it will be. It's going to be a welcome change.
All right, so fall begins officially on Thursday of this week. Okay,
yes,
good
in the
deal.
morning.
All right, thanks, Cassie.